Fluid Dynamics Unit 7 Physics Class 11. Question 1. For an incompressible fluid, the flow rate is answer constant throughout the Bernoulli principle states that for horizontal flow of a fluid through a tube, the sum of the pressure and energy of motion per unit volume is answer constant. Question 3. Which of the following is associated with the law of conservation of energy in fluid? Answer: Bernoulli principle. Question 4. As the speed of a moving fluid increases, the pressure in the fluid. Answer: decrease. Question 5. If the cross-sectional area of a pipe decreases, what happens to the fluid velocity? Answer: increase. Question 6. A skydiver falls through the air at terminal velocity. The force of air resistance on him is answer equal to his weight. Question 7. Wind speeding up as it blows over the top of a hill. Answer: decrease atmospheric pressure there. Question 8. Fluid is undergoing incompressible flow. This means that answer: the density cannot change with time or location. Question 9. All fluid is undergoing steady flow. Therefore, answer: the velocity of any given molecule of fluid does not change. Question 10. The equation of continuity for the fluid flow can be derived from the conservation of answer: mass. Question 11. What does Bernoulli principle state about fluid flow? Answer: pressure decreases as velocity increases. Question 12. Which physical property determines whether a fluid is incompressible? Answer: elastic modulus. Question 13. Which equation represents the conservation of mass in fluid dynamics? Answer: equation of continuity. Question 14. What happens to the pressure of a fluid as its velocity increases? Answer: it decreases. Question 15. Streamline in fluid flow represent answer: direction of flow at every point. Question 16. The Navier-Stokes equation describe answer: conservation of movement in fluid. Question 17. What causes turbulence in fluid flow? Answer: high Reynolds number. Question 18. In a venturi tube, where is the fluid pressure lowest? Answer: the narrowest part. Question 19. What is the characteristic feature of laminar flow? Answer: smooth and orderly. Question 20. Which type of fluid constant viscosity regarding shear rates? Answer: Newton fluid. Question 21. The Mach number is used to measure the answer: ratio of fluid speed to sound speed. Question 22. The dynamic pressure of a fluid is proportional to answer: velocity squared. Question 23. What is the principle behind hydraulic lifts? Answer: Pascal's law. Question 24. Convection in a fluid occurs due to answer: low pressure. Question 25. What property of a fluid is described by the term viscosity? Answer: resistance to flow. Question 26. A fluid at rest cannot resist answer: shear forces. Question 27. What is the flow velocity at the stagnation points? Answer: 0. Question 28. What does the term inviscid refer to in fluid dynamics? Answer: zero viscosity. Question 29. Which type of failure follow occur if the follow parameters change with time? Answer: unsteady follow. Question 30. The velocity distribution across a peep during linear follow is? Answer: parabolic.